Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. So today's vlog is gonna be a special app. The heel garage just woke up. Anyway, so the time right now is 8:30. We're supposed to leave in 30 minutes because we're going to pick up a dog today. A new puppy. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready, shower, everything like that, and then come back. Okay guys, so we're outside, we're about to get in the car, ready to go. Here's the fit. I just have a sweater on, these jeans, my white Converse, and then we have Chanel ready to go. We're gonna be leaving right now. It's about an hour and 35-minute drive, so I'll update you guys on the way there. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna give you a quick little update. We are here. We're about 5 minutes away. It's 11:07. We have Chanel. She doesn't even know what's about to happen, but she's gonna be excited. Anyways, also it's raining here, so it's really cold outside. I have a sweater on Chanel because it's so cold. In a second you guys will see what kind of dog it is and everything like that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and yeah, so I'll show you once we get to the house and see the dog.
Oh yeah. Hi, tiny babies. Oh, excuse you. Oh, you sound just like mamas, our mamas. Yeah. She just.
What? We got
Look at Chanel.
The more the merrier. The more the fun.
She wants you to play.
The more doggies, the more fun.
Well, the good thing is,
Yeah. And we do the sweet potato and the peas, like you guys said. Apples. Just play with it and chew it up.
yeah.
Did you let you guys make this decision a long time ago before I did?
Yes,
I just. You were texting with this grown man who was fucking a businessman.
Okay guys, so as you can see by the clips, we got the dog. I have to put Chanel in here for a little bit so that way he can get her used to the house and everything. But I'm gonna show you guys the dog.
Oh yeah, take a picture.
No, this is for my video.
Love no pet.
Aw, she's
Dog? Yeah. Okay guys, so we're home with the Frenchie, and to go with Chanel. Let me show you guys. Wait, let it focus. There we go. Look at how adorable. We're still trying to figure out names. They've just been playing the whole time, getting comfortable with each other. Over here. Come over here. Let me show you guys. They're playing. They have toys all over the place, but this is them playing. Look at them. Yep, this is all they've been doing. How cute. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Good girl. Come here. Good girl.